Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. And in today's video, we're just gonna go over a quick discussion about this floor jack. You know, it's that time of year, getting ready to work on your vehicle, so you can have it all fixed up and ready to rock and roll in this beautiful weather. And you go pop open your garage door, and you look out there outside, and you're like, oh, you know what? I see a little bit of sun going on, and the weather is dry. You got your vehicle, and in this case, I have a 72 Ford Bronco, whatever your vehicle may be. And you're like, you know, I want to do some work to it, and you need one of these. It's a floor jack. And in my case, I'm actually going to be doing a suspension lift on this. And if you happen to be into, you know, Broncos, early Broncos, or just working on vehicles in general, it's kind of a weekend mechanic type thing. Feel free to watch and follow and subscribe and all that wonderful stuff, and hit the little bell so you know when the next video is going to happen. But in the meantime, floor jack. It's been sitting all winter long, and you're getting ready to use it for the first time. And you're sitting here and you're jacking it up and everything's all fine and dandy. And in my case, I'm going to be jacking up my axle so I could remove my suspension. And then all of a sudden, what you see here is you got some weight on this, and without wanting it to, it'll slowly drop down like this. Well, you really don't want that happening unless it's something you're trying to experience. And so when you run into this issue, one of the things you can do is turn it all the way so it's locked. Get it all the way up. Just keep going. And you get like air in the system over time, you know, condensation, all that stuff. It just kind of builds up. And so what you want to do is you want to get it all the way to the top. It's all the way to the top. That's trying to hop around. And you just want to keep pumping it. And what you're going to do is do this to try to get some of the air out of the system. You just keep doing this. And once you're done doing this, you go ahead and lower it down, like so. In this case, I want to go ahead and jack up my Bronco. You always want to make sure that you put a block under your vehicle if you're going to be jacking it up. There we go. And then get it underneath your axle or whatever you're trying to jack up. This is also a good way to test it too. If you just want to test your floor jack, just get it off the ground, check your tire, see if it's lowering on its own. Looks like it's holding pretty good. And yeah, by doing that, you're just taking out the air out of the system. It just builds up over time when the jack has been sitting for a while. So if you just do that, just go full extensions and have it all the way up, and yeah, there you go. And it's staying up the way you want. Go and lower it back down. Voila. Your floor jack is now fixed. You don't need to have it repaired. You don't need to replace it. That should be fine. That'll fix it most of the time. So hopefully that helps you if you have floor jack issues. And yeah, thank you for watching if you made it this far. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy the channel. Guys, take care and enjoy spring and summer.